Hi guys.
Hello! Today is Sunday, July 10th. It's about 1:22 p.m. I'm having a great, slow Sunday. Woke up a little bit late this morning, went straight to the gym, had a nice long workout, took a great shower afterwards, slowly got ready. As I got ready and had my morning breakfast, I texted Lewis, and now I'm waiting for Lewis and Steph to finish. I believe they're finishing up shooting some photos for a few brands they work with. I'm just cleaning up, and today I decided that I'm going to focus my Sunday on plants. For those of you who don't know, I am an avid plant collector. I definitely want to showcase my entire plant collection, but it's in dire need of a little refresh. Essentially, a bunch of the plants died when we got cashew just because I couldn't maintain and manage all of them. Some have managed to live, and we also realized that we have hard water in this apartment, so that might have also contributed to why many of them died. Going to do a little bit of an apartment refresh with my plants today, taking you along to IKEA and running a few errands with Lewis and Steph. Let's get it.
Take it, and I'm gonna only say it once.
Oh my god, they're twins. Oh my god, they're twins.
Not just you.
Never.
In on it too now.
Never, never, never.
It's the last time I did see you.
No, it's been a minute.
I think it's with the top off.
Top off, you're right. You did. You died hard. You died real hard.
What? Not like you say it like that. Wow. What is this?
Oh, that.
Ooh. It smells so good.
Oh, that was sweet.
I don't think I've had Jollibee. Ooh. Do we love the cheesesteak?
Cheesesteak was bomb. That shit was crazy. Very good.
Hi guys, how are you?
Oh yeah, were we supposed to go up? Showroom, right? Marketplace? Showroom?
I can already smell the IKEA goodies. Okay.
Wow! Ooh, I haven't been in the showroom in a while, actually. IKEA never had self-checkout, bro.
Checkout, bro.
No way. Where? This is self-checkout. Proud owner. Proud owner.
New clothes on the way.
You're gonna be so fresh, literally.
Downey, sponsor me, baby.
Hey.
Golden plated watch with a G-Shock at the same time.
Oh my god.
Actually, like, you know how we do the one where we like kind of pull it out? Turn your head the other way.
Did I not do it?
Oh, look at you. I feel like my head is cut off. But whatever.
Clearly a photographer.
Not a video.
Right. Going into the beer peddlers.
He was out the whole trip.
Can you mix?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Yum. This is an excellent slushie. Philly slushies. Who knew? Okay. So I am back finally. It's 6:50, so the day is slowly coming towards an end. Lewis and I just lounged on our rooftop, talked for a few hours, I'm gonna say, maybe an hour or two, just catching up and, you know, same old, same old. Finished our slushies and kind of watched the sunset a little bit, but it's a little too early. I think the sun normally sets at like 8:30, in between 8:30 and 9, so didn't get a chance to see that. I'm just gonna spend the rest of my night editing essentially. I think I'm even gonna skip dinner because we did eat a later lunch. That cheesesteak should definitely hold me over for a minute. Going to end just vlog here. Like most nights, I do end my evening essentially with editing right before going to sleep sometimes. The only thing I might do before I go to sleep is maybe watch a lighthearted TV show. Typically it's comedy because I like to just fall asleep to something comical and lighthearted. Anyways, thanks again. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.